Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Coinbase account number. First, securely log into your Coinbase account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you'll typically land on your dashboard. From there, locate and click on the Portfolio or Assets section to see your various cryptocurrency holdings. This is your starting point for accessing wallet details. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin, you'll see its specific details. Look for an option labeled Receive or Wallet Address. Clicking this will display your unique wallet address. This alphanumeric string is essentially your account number for that particular cryptocurrency on Coinbase, allowing others to send funds to you. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. It's crucial to remember that each cryptocurrency, like Ethereum or Litecoin, has its own distinct wallet address within your Coinbase account. Do not confuse these crypto wallet addresses with your traditional bank account numbers. Always double-check the full address before sharing it with anyone or initiating a transaction to ensure funds go to the correct destination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.